Hello, Luca. Today we're doing another video makeup lesson for, I believe it's the 28th. This is my kitten Clarence, ignore her. Today we're going to be doing another video lesson, like I said. We're going to keep it very simple as well. Watch it, pal. We're going to keep it super simple, just work on more sticking things. Sticking exercises, to be particular. Like we started last video lesson at least, with just some singles on each hand, eventually shifting over to the next one. Trying to move my cat's tail so I don't hit it. 1, 2, 3, 4, switching back and forth. It's always a good way to get warmed up. And playing on a drum set is just playing on a pillow. I play on a pillow before I practice. I highly recommend it. But right now, we're just doing this. The next thing we're going to talk about is double strokes. A double stroke is kind of what it sounds like, where you take the stick and you hit it 2 times. And then switch to the other stick and hit it 2 times. And this can be very helpful eventually once we start talking about sticking rudiments, which is a whole can of worms that we'll eventually get into. But this is probably, other than the single stroke roll, this will be like the most basic one, is a double stroke. Is a double stroke roll. You can't really hear it right now. I'm going to practice on another pillow. Maybe that'll make more noise. This is a horrible camera angle. Let's see if you can hear it. It's quite a bit louder. That'll do for now. So, double strokes. The way to practice this is by just playing it slowly, repeatedly, for a long time. So the best way to do this is just right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. This is a great thing to practice, and once we're comfortable with this, all we do is speed it up. There's a good speed. If we can do single strokes at this speed, then our double stroke pattern can be at least this fast. And that's what we're going to do, is switch between single strokes and double strokes. And this is all we're going to do today. It's bump, up, 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 up. All of it's the same. So let me break down what's going on in this. We have the double stroke roll, which is just exactly what it sounds like. Hitting with one drumstick 2 times in a row. Then we have the single stroke roll, which is exactly what it sounds like, which is just right, left, right, left, right, left. What we're doing is creating an exercise that combines both ideas, where in order to get our timing down properly, what we do is we play a single stroke, and then we do the same rhythm, but with a different sticking pattern. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Let me get my cat out of the way. Say hello, Clarence. Hello. Okay, sorry about that. Same rhythm, different sticking. Sounds like this. 1 and 2 and... Sorry, let me start with single stroke. 1 and 2... 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... This is the rhythm. We're going to switch it to a double stroke roll, which just means 2 rights, then 2 lefts, then 2 rights, then 2 lefts. 1 and 2, and here's the switch. Dut, 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 dut. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and back to singles. Back to doubles. And that's plenty to practice. You could practice that for hours and hours and hours and still have more to practice. So that's going to be your video lesson for today. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you next time.